Dear students, good morning. Today we discuss some basic important terms for the growth. We have discussed a chapter, the plant growth and development, the last chapter of the plant physiology. And in this chapter, according to NCERT, it is the last chapter of physiology, but in the medical syllabus, a chapter, the plant movement, is also present. Clear? I again repeat, that is the according to your NCERT book, the plant growth and development is the last chapter of the plant physiology, but in a medical syllabus, another chapter is involved, that is in the physiology, that is the name is the plant movement. So, we are discuss here a chapter for the medical purpose, the plant movement. Clear? We are discuss a new chapter, that is the plant movement for the medical purpose, but according to the NCERT book, the plant growth regulators, plant growth and development chapter is the last chapter of your plant physiology, unit 3rd. Clear? So, in this chapter we are discuss the some special term, and these terms we are already discussed in the 11th class in plant anatomy topic. We are discussed the anatomy, and anatomy we have discussed the mesotic cells, mesotic tissues first. Second, we have discussed the differentiation, and these topic also discussed in the cytology, particularly in cell division. Clear? The cell division first, cell differentiation second, cell redifferentiation third, and cell redifferentiation is the fourth. These are the four main points for the growth, and another point is the development. Clear? So, first one is the cell division. First is a cell division. What is the cell division? Mesomery cell divide to the form a rotor cell, that is known as the cell division. You know very well, a cell, a mature cell, divided into the two rotor cell, that is cell division. Clear? But the cell division is present in generally the mesotic cells, root apex and shoot apex. In cytology, we have discussed the study of the mitosis and meiosis. We have studied the mitosis. We have discussed the which part of the plant? Onion root tip. Generally, we utilize the root tip. Which plant? The onion root tip, because the root tip contain the different stages of the mitosis. Clear? Prophase, anaphase, metaphase, telophase, interphase. These structures are clearly visible in the onion root tip. The question is, why we are using the onion root tip? There are so many plants, but why we are utilizing the onion root tip? Onion. Why we choose the onion? The answer is the size of the chromosome of onion is enlarged, बड़े होते हैं, and they are easily visible under the student microscope. Under the simple microscope, these are easily visible at the high power. You know what is the microscope? Microscope contain the two type of the object lens, 10x and the 45x. So, the 45x of the student microscopes, we are clearly seeing the stages of these on a root tip, stages of the mitosis, they may prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, interphase, clearly visible. Clear? First thing. So, we utilize the on a root tip. Second one is that is the in shoot apex, where the mesotic cells are present, the division is present. Mitosis present in the shoot apex and root apex, and the meiosis are we study the onion anther. We are discuss the we are the cut the pieces of the anther word, and we are study the meiosis. Clear? So, the study of these point, the first one of the cell division, or we can say the mesmatic cells. Which cells? Mesmatic cells divide to form the daughter cells, and this division may be two types, mitotic division and meiotic division. Clear? Meiotic division is present generally in the generative cells and mitotic division in the somatic cells. You know very well. The second term is the differentiation. Second term is the differentiation. Firstly, we are discuss the definition of this. The cell divide from the root and shoot apical meristem, differentiate and the mature to perform the specific function. Clear? In this definition, three important points are present. First, the location. First is the location. कहाँ पर है? Second, the mature stage. Third, the specific function. Clear? In plants, root and shoot apical meristem, the cells are present, and these cells are known as the apical meristem or mesmatic cells. These cells continue to divide because they have a capacity to division, and these cells are represent the mitotic division. They are continually divided and increase the length of the root and shoot. But the growth is maybe arithmetic or maybe geometric. Generally, we have discussed earlier lecture, the root are the root. Earlier lecture we have discussed the root are continually grow with the help of the arithmetic division A, B, C, D. We explain the diagram, and same condition the shoot. So, we can say the growth is represented by the root and shoot. These cells, the tip of these root and shoot apex are known. The tip of the root and shoot and root apex, and the cells of the mesmatic cells of this zone, root apex zone, are continually divided, and these cells, these new cells form elongated, and then they are mature. We are discussing the root apex, that is the mesmatic zone, elongation zone, and termination zone, sorry, maturation zone. We are discussing the diagram here, that is the discuss here. It is the meristematic zone, then elongation zone, and then it is called the maturation zone. Clear? So, there are the three types of the zone are present. First, the mesmatic zone where the cell division occur. Second, these mesmatic cells are elongated firstly, and then they are mature, and after the mature they are represent a particular function. Clear? So, here in this definition the three main points are present. First, the cell divide from the root and shoot apical meristem, it is formed. Second, differentiate and mature for a specific function, to perform a specific function. That is known as the सेल डिफरेंशिएशन। क्लियर, बात समझ आ गई। थर्ड वन इज द डी डिफरेंशिएशन। इन दिस कंडीशन वी कैन से here cell division present, it is division present, here the division is absent. In cell division maximum cell divided division is present, but in dedifferentiated cell, the differentiated cell, the division is absent because these cells are converted to the mature cell. Or mature cell are not represent the division. So, the differentiated cells are lost their division capacity. Clear? Third one is the de-differentiation. De-differentiation. It means if a cell loses their division capacity, but at the time of the condition, a special condition, they are regenerate their capacity. They are regenerate their capacity. That is the de-differentiation. So again repeat definition. Living differentiated cells which have lost here. Living cells have lost the capacity of the divide. Capacity of the divide. Because they are lost their capacity of divide, can regain the capacity of division, can regain the, again they obtain the, they are develop the capacity of the division under certain condition. Here condition is required, under certain condition, that is known as the de-differentiation. क्लियर। ऐसा एग्जाम्पल आप बहुत सारे जानते हैं बच्चों। मैं एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ आपको। अपने घर में, अपने पड़ोस में, अपने परिवार में होते हैं। जैसे आपकी मदर की मैं बात करूँ या मेरी मदर की बात करें, हम लोग बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल आप हमारे न्यूज़ पेपर पर डे पढ़ते हैं कि एक बच्ची है जिसको पढ़ने का मन था, इसे पढ़ाई करना था, परंतु कंडीशंस ऐसी क्रिएट हुई एक समय पे कि मैरिज हो गई और स्टडी नहीं कर पाई। मैरिज हो गई और स्टडी नहीं कर पाई। लेकिन मैरिज होने के बाद उसको टाइम मिला, उसने वापस स्टडी की और जो करना चाहती है उसने गोल अचीव किया। इसका बहुत अच्छा क्या बताता मैं आपको। मैरी कॉम, आपने सुना होगा, बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन, वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन मैरी कॉम। मैरी कॉम का बॉक्सिंग का शौक था, छूट गई, शादी हो गई, बच्चे हो गए, छूट गया था। उन्होंने वापस उसको स्टार्ट किया, बॉक्सिंग की और वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन बनी। क्लियर है? तो यहाँ भी कंडीशन है, मैंने अभी कहा सर्टेन कंडीशंस। हमारे पास मैच्योर सेल्स है, उनसे क्या बना, सेल्स एलोंगेटेड हुई, मैच्योर हुई, सेल डिवीजन कैपेसिटी कम्प्लीटली क्या हुई, फिनिश हो गई उनकी। दे आर डिवाइडेड द एनी कंडीशन, और डिवाइड नहीं होती है, फंक्शन करती है। बट इन सर्टेन कंडीशन, सभी सेल्स के लिए बात कर रहा मैं यहाँ पे, कुछ सेल्स, ओनली फ्यू सेल्स, बट इन सर्टेन कंडीशन दीज सेल्स आर develop the division capacity again, and then they are make the new cell, that is known as the de-differentiation. Clear? सिंपल सी डेफिनेशन है और ये भी आप पढ़ चुके हैं एनाटॉमी में। वी आर डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक डी डिफरेंशिएशन इन द एनाटॉमी। याद कीजिए कहाँ क्या था। I give a hint, the secondary growth in dicot plant. याद आया कुछ? नहीं आया। Secondary growth dicot plants, vascular cambium ring VSR, अगर vascular cambium ring and CCR core cambium ring. These two rings are formed with the help of the secondary cambium, and secondary cambium is known as the de-differentiate Clear? So we can say the phenomena is known as a de-differentiation. Example, the formation of the meristem. Formation of the meristem, and these meristem is the interfascicular cambium, and second is the core cambium phylum. याद आया कुछ? We are discussed in the anatomy the inter and intrafascicular cambium. Intra, those are the origin is the, those cambium are originated from the primary origin, and secondary, those cambium are developed between the two vascular bundle, that known as the interfasci कैसा बोलेंगे इसको? इंटरफेसिकुलर कैम्बियम. याद है? भूल गए लगता हो मुझे. याद करो इस चीज़ को. यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने ये स्टडी भी थी ये इस टाइप से. दिस इज सिंगल कैम्बियम, दिस इज अनदर कैम्बियम इन द स्टेम, एंड these have a cambium. कुछ याद आ रहा है? Any remember? Anything remember? Is the phloem, it is the cambium, PS phloem, and this one is known as the xylem. Clear? Conjoined collateral open vascular bundle and dark condition, and between the two vascular bundle a cambium is formed here. This cambium known as interfascicular cambium. Though we are discussing two names. First, intrafascicular cambium. Second, interfascicular cambium. Clear? So, in the dicot stem and root, this cambium is formed known as the interfascicular or intrafascicular. This cambium is are developed by the mesomatic cells or mature cells. Which one? These cambium are developed with the mature cell. So we can say the cells are mature, those cells are lost the nature of the mesomatic division, but at the time of the certain condition, at the time of the secondary growth, these cells are divided and make the interfascicular cambium. So we can say here it is known as the primary origin, and known as the secondary origin. Clear? Any doubt? So what is the de-differentiation? That is those mature cells are lost their division capacity, they again develop the division capacity in certain condition known as the de-differentiation. So here division present or absent? Division present. Clear? Here division present, here absent, here present, and last one is the de-differentiation. Here again division absent. Last one is the re-differentiation. Here division is absent. Why? These de-differentiation cells, if the again lose their division capacity, that known as the re-differentiation. In anatomy, you discuss an example, sugar beet root. Clear? In your module, a diagram represents the sugar beet root where the ring are formed. आप सब ने शुगर बीट्स, चकुंदर जिसे हम कहते हैं, चुकंदर, शुगर बीटा वल्गैरिस, सब ने खाया है बच्चों। आपको बताया था एनाटॉमी के अंदर कि अगर चुकंदर को लेकर हम उसको काटते हैं तो उसमें आपको लाइनिंग नज़र आती है, रॉन्ग ऐसे नज़र आती है। दीज आर द कैम्बियम रिंग। क्या रिंग है वो? कैम्बियम रिंग। ठीक है। अब क्या होता है, फर्स्ट कैम्बियम रिंग बनी, उसने ग्रोथ की, टिश्यू बनाए आउटर इनर साइड, एंड आफ्टर फ्यू टाइम दे आर रीडिफरेंशिएट। फिर दूसरी रिंग बनी, फिर बनाया डिफरेंशिएट, इट मेक द रिंग्स। क्या बनाएगा? रिंग्स। सो वी आर एक्सपेरिमेंट हेयर दैट द डिफरेंशिएशन फर्स्ट हुआ, उसमें टिश्यूज फॉर्म हुए, देन these tissues, these cambium are again lost their division capacity, and known as the redifferentiation, and due to this process the ring are formed inside the root and stem. Clear? So dedifferentiation cell, again repeat, the dedifferentiated cells again lose the capacity to divide, but the mature and perform the specific function that known as the redifferentiation. क्लियर? बात समझ आ गई? तो अगर मैं एक सिंपल वे में कहता हूँ आपको, बिल्कुल सिंपल वे में, दीज आर 4 टर्म्स। फर्स्ट डिवीजन प्रेजेंट, सेकंड डिवीजन एब्सेंट, थर्ड प्रेजेंट, फोर्थ एब्सेंट. तो these 4 points we are discussed in a trig form. Which one trick? We explain a trig form, that is CDDR. CDDR. CDER. Clear? C इसका मतलब सेल डिवीजन प्रेजेंट, D डिफरेंशिएशन, D डिफरेंशिएशन, R रीडिफरेंशिएशन. फर्स्ट डिवीजन प्रेजेंट, सेकंड डिवीजन एब्सेंट, थर्ड डिवीजन प्रेजेंट, फोर्थ एब्सेंट. Clear? In your book, the 3 points are given: DDR, differentiation, de-differentiation or redifferentiation. DDR डिवाइजन हो रहा है, डिवीजन हो रहा है, डिवीजन नहीं हो रहा है, डिवीजन फिर हो रहा है, ऐसे प्रोसेस. पहले में डिवीजन नहीं है, दूसरे में डिवीजन है, तीसरे में नहीं है. That known as the trick of the remembering of this point, because it is very important for the medical purpose. Okay. So I think you are understand very well what is the differentiation, what is the de-differentiation, or what is the redifferentiation. Again repeated simply form, short form. Differentiation, the cell division is absent, but cells perform a particular function because it is a mature cell. De-differentiation, again the mature cells are developed, mature cells are again divided, and known as the de-differentiation, and make the example is the interfacial cambium and the core cambium, and third one is the redifferentiation. The de-differentiated cells stop their cell division, that known as the redifferentiate. Clear? Next we discuss another point, that is the development. Development we are discussing in 11 and 12, the initial stage both. What is the development? We are generally, we can say, all the event birth to till death are known as the developments. In short form, we are saying that all the event birth to till death are known as the development. Clear? So here we discuss, it is a term that include all changes that an organism goes through during its life cycle. Germination of the seed to syncytial. It means सीड जर्मिनेशन से लेकर उसकी ओल्ड स्टेज तक, ओल्ड स्टेज तक, सीड जर्मिनेशन टू देयर ओल्ड स्टेज तक जितने भी लाइफ में इवेंट्स होते हैं, these all events are commonly known as the development. क्लियर? ठीक है, सारे होते हैं. जैसे मैं एग्जांपल दूँ, प्लांट्स के अंदर बात करते हैं तो प्लांट्स में क्या हुआ, फर्स्ट सीड सॉइंग, then germination, then after that the seedling form, then the plant, small plant form, the new leaf arrives, then the growth, vegetative growth. After the vegetative growth, the reproduction phase present, the flowering present. After that, the fertilization. After that, the formation of the pollination and fertilization. That formation of the fruit. Then fruit are mature and make the seed. Seed are dispersed by several methods, and they again germinate or complete the life cycle. Clear? That known as the development. Clear? So, in your NCERT book, the development are represented by a diagrammatic form expression that is known as the diagrammatic representation of the development. Clear? The question is, what is this? देखा diagrammatic representation of the development, but how we explain it? So, in this the cell division present, death present, extension present, differentiation present, plant growth, mature cells, extension, maturation, mature cell. It is a complete structure. Here the mature cells present. These mature cells are increase their size, and known as the plasmatic growth and differentiation. The mesomeric cells are represent the differentiation. Clear? Mature cells and plasmatic growth. Then differentiation. In this process, the extension, it means cells are elongated. So we can say it is the mesomeric zone of the root like this. That is the elongation root. That is the second zone, elongation zone. Then third one is the maturation zone. तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा, सेल डिवीजन होगा, सेल फॉर्म होगी, सेल फॉर्म में सेल का साइज इंक्रीज होगा, elongate होगी, देन मैच्योर होगी, देन मैच्योर से मोर डेवलप होगी, देन फंक्शनल होगी फंक्शनल. एंड दिस मैच्योर सेल अगर ग्रोथ करेगी एंड ग्रोथ से क्या होगा, फंक्शन जाएगा. व्हेन दे कंप्लीट देयर एज, वो अपनी एज पूरी कर लेगी. आफ्टर दैट डेथ, क्या होगी उसकी, डेथ होगी. आपने देखा होगा प्लांट के अंदर, पपाया प्लांट अपने घर में लगा होता है, आसपास लगा होता है, या बहुत सारे प्लांट देखे होंगे आपने. अब देखो ओल्ड लीव्स आर फॉल डाउन. प्लांट की ओल्ड लीव क्या होती है, फॉल डाउन होती है, गिरना शुरू हो जाती है, और न्यू लीव राइज एट पोर्शन आती रहती है. तो ओल्ड लीव क्या करती हैं, वो मैच्योर हो चुकी, उनका फंक्शन कम्प्लीट हो चुका, अब दे आर नॉट यूटिलाइज, देन द प्लांट आर रिप्रेजेंट द लीफ फॉल, तो उसको गिरा देता है. क्लियर है? दैट इज द डायग्राम रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द ग्रोथ. So students, this is complete about the some terms: cell division, differentiation, redifferentiation, and development. Okay, please note it.